In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to zoom out while working on your Wix website. The ability to zoom in and out gives you a better perspective of your overall layout and enables seamless editing. To start with, it is necessary to access the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. Launch your internet browser and navigate to your Wix website. Once you're there, make sure you sign in with your credentials, and then proceed to open your preferred project site using the Wix website editor. This is the platform where you design and customize your website to your liking. Now, let's focus on the upper bar of the editor. This bar houses several options and functions that make the editing process smoother and more efficient. This is the control center of your editing experience, allowing you to adjust and tinker with numerous front and back-end elements. However, our primary focus will be on a specific feature in this upper bar, that is, the viewing percentage. You'll find this feature relatively easy to spot, as it's centrally located in the upper bar and is often set to the default value of 100% when you first open your project. This signifies the zoom level of your editor and how much of your project you can see at a given time. Having located the viewing percentage section, the next step is to interact with it. To do so, simply click on it. Once you do so, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a variety of zoom options. Think of this menu as your viewing gallery, featuring different viewing percentage options for you to choose from to maximize your editing convenience and efficiency. While the 100% viewing percentage gives you a closer, more detailed view of your site. In this tutorial, we're particularly interested in zooming out. To do so, simply choose a necessary lower percentage from the drop-down menu. Options usually range from 25% to 100%, allowing you to decide how zoomed in or out you want your point of view to be. For instance, you may opt to select a percentage like 75% or even 50% to zoom out. Choosing a lower percentage will make your website appear smaller on the screen. However, it's a significant advantage, as it allows you to view more of the layout at once. This is especially handy if you're working on a large project and could use an overview of different sections without the need to constant scroll up and down. Through this guided process, you can easily adjust your zoom levels on the Wix editor and control your viewing